guys, it's me and Arkin, and today, ngayon, may bagong shop naman dito guys. Baba lang tayo guys. Yan o guys, mayroon ng bagong shop, Concord. Napakalawak diba guys? Hindi mo na gumawa niyan guys. Pero ito na, there is some stores.
Carlos always saw me as a friend. Until that one time, when he put this on me, and I had him all to myself. We were intimate and it was special.
Okay guys, like the content apple ko. Ooh yeah. Pero guys, hindi ko pa nagagawa sa task guys kasi hindi pa kayo nag-vote eh. Pero mag-vote kayo. Bye bye. Excited na ako guys sa fiesta. Bye bye.